Welcome! If you're looking to clear your footsteps on Snapchat and keep your location activity private, you're in the right place. Snapchat's Footsteps feature tracks the places you've been on Snap Map, but the good news is you can easily clear it anytime. Let's walk through the updated steps together so you can do it in just a few taps. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page where you can access your account settings. Next, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Account Actions. This is where Snapchat keeps options related to your account data and privacy controls. Under this section, tap on Map. This will open up settings related to Snap Map and your location activity. Here's the key step. Tap on Clear Footsteps. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to remove your location history. Go ahead and confirm, and that's